How to share games on Steam and play together. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share games on Steam and play together. First, open the Steam app in your system and open it from your web browser. Once you're here, click on Steam from the top left corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. From your left, click on Family. It will take you to this page. Now click on Manage, given right next to Family Library Sharing. Here, you can share the Steam library with others on your device. Once authorized, Steam users on shared devices may access. Turn the toggle on, given right next to Authorized Library Sharing on this device. You can select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. Also, you can add eligible accounts to share libraries with. That's how you can share games on Steam and play together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.